guys, welcome back to my channel. And my house is finally finished. I will give you a house tour. This is my living room, and this is a couch, and we have a TV, and we have a backyard. We have a swimming pool.
Abo.
We can have fun in the swimming pool, and we are chilling
Saan?
sa swimming pool. Let's go upstairs. Come on.
Okay.
And my room is cool. It has a double deck, and it has a laptop in my bedroom. And let's go check Sepi's room. We have a double deck right here. And this is Sepi play in the laptop, play some Roblox.
Yeah.
And let's go to Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. This is the bedroom of Mommy and Daddy's and Sian's. It is
Hello.
cool. They have a chair. Hello. In the bedroom, they have TV in their bedroom. And let's go to the master's bedroom.
Abo, may masters pa.
And they have collection of toys. It's so expensive.
Yes, that's my toys.
Yes, that's my toy.
This is where we sleep, our family. Me, Sepi, and Sian, and
Hello.
Daddy and Mommy.
Hi.
And that's it. That's our all house tour today. Bye bye guys. See you to my next vlog.